Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes here on Share Talk for Monday, the 17th of December, starting off with Anglo African. And here you can see that there's been an attempt at breaking out of this falling wedge from July. We had one in October as well, and the gap higher today. Looking positive, but we still need to have an end-of-day close above both the 50-day at 7.98 and the top of the wedge at around 8 pence itself. We get that, the next target would be a retest of October resistance at 11 pence. Stop loss at this stage really you don't really need to risk much more than 6 3/4. Going on to Echo Energy, which is also having another go at breaking to the upside. Nice, a couple of gaps there, or at least one gap there within the wedge, which is encouraging. End of day close above that same level, 7.98 on the 50-day moving average. Could take the shares up to 12 pence plus. So you can see there's a gap up to 13 pence, or 14 pence in fact, from August. So a lot to play for here for the bulls, and stop loss back below 6 pence at the most. Next up is Kefi, which is looking encouraging once I get the right ticker code there. Breaking this wedge from, I suppose it's from May, but that resistance line there from September. Nice break above the 50-day moving average at 1.59, and while we're above the top of the wedge at 1.5, looking for a retest of the post-August resistance as high as 2.5 pence. More speculative situation here with the Summit Therapeutics. Looks as though it's trying to break this wedge, obviously so far poked out and then poked back in again, but end of day close above 20 pence, whether it's today or later in the week, could take the shares up to the area of the 50-day moving average, 24 pence. Stop loss back below 17. There's no point risking more than that at this stage, given how painful the recent past has been for the shares. Situation which looks like it may be trying to break out of its wedge is Savannah Resources. Probably want to see an end-of-day close above the 50-day moving average at 6.12 pence to then open up the possibility of the 200-day moving average at 7.5 pence. Nice bullish divergence there in the RSI window as well. Stop loss back below 5.25. Finishing off with Velocys. Here we can see that we had a wedge breakout in as long ago as October. Since then, we've traded sideways, really hugging the 50-day moving average. Want to see basically another decent weekly close above the 50-day line, 4.97 pence, to give us the long-promised move towards the 200-day moving average at 9.25. Stop loss back below 4 pence is all we need there. There's a gap there at the 4 pence level from October. That's it from me. More updates tomorrow.